In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Roblox. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Roblox app and then right here tap Add menu icon. Next, hit on Friends and then in order to add a friend, hit right here at that magnifying glass icon. Then just start typing your friend name, hit on return to see the results. And now you can scroll down through all of that users, and once you find the user that you want to add as a friend, just hit right here at add button and it sends a friend request to that specific person, and in the same way you can add as many friends as you want. To become a friend with that person, the recipient have to approve your friend request first. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.